Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We will be doing a series of videos on our channel where we will talk about all you should know about GMAT. In this video, we will talk about what is GMAT, its importance, fees, validity, GMAT score acceptance, and the impact of a good score. In our next video, we will discuss GMAT exam pattern, format, and the average GMAT score of a few programs. In further videos, we will discuss the detailed syllabus of GMAT. So let's start with what is GMAT. The Graduate Management Admission Test is a standardized test used to measure aptitude for graduate level business programs. It assesses skills in areas such as analytical writing, integrated reasoning, quantitative reasoning, and verbal reasoning. The GMAT is a computer adaptive test, meaning that the difficulty level of the test adjusts based on the test taker's performance. The GMAT is scored on a scale of 200 to 800, with an average score being around 550. Now, why is it important? The GMAT is important because it is a widely accepted standardized test that measures the skills necessary for success in graduate level business programs, such as an MBA. Business schools use the test as a way to assess the abilities of applicants, and a high score can make a candidate more competitive in the admission process. Additionally, a high GMAT score can be used to demonstrate aptitude for graduate level coursework in business. Furthermore, many employers and recruiters use the GMAT score as a way to evaluate the qualification of job candidates for the positions in the business world. In summary, the GMAT is important because it is a widely accepted standardized test that measures the skills and knowledge necessary for success in graduate level business programs and for business related careers. Next is GMAT exam fees and what is the validity of a GMAT score. The fees for a GMAT is $250. The test score is valid for 5 years, after which you will need to retake the test if you wish to apply to graduate business programs. You can schedule your GMAT test at a test center near you by visiting the official GMAT website at www.mba.com. The GMAT can be taken most days of the year, but it is recommended to schedule your test at least 4 weeks in advance. You can take the GMAT, that is also called Graduate Management Admission Test, up to 5 times in a rolling 12-month period and no more than 8 times total. However, you will have to wait at least 16 days between each GMAT test. Keep in mind that retaking the GMAT may not necessarily improve your score, and some graduate business programs take the highest score from all attempts into consideration. Therefore, it's a good idea to prepare thoroughly and make sure you are ready for the test before you take it. You can also use the GMAT official practice exams to get a sense of how you might perform on the actual test and identify areas where you need to focus your studying. It is also important to note that some graduate business programs may have different policies for accepting scores from multiple GMAT exams. So it's a good idea to check with the schools you're interested in applying to. The big question is acceptance of GMAT score. The GMAT is primarily accepted by graduate business programs such as MBA programs. The test is accepted by over 7,000 graduate management programs worldwide, including those offered by universities and business schools. These include top-ranked MBA programs like those at Harvard, Stanford, and Wharton. It is also used by some other graduate programs such as Master of Accountancy, Master of Finance, Master of Management, and Master of Information System Management. Moreover, the GMAT is also accepted by some non-educational institutions such as consulting firms, investment banks, and other organizations that are looking to hire employees with a strong analytical and quantitative skills. In summary, a GMAT is a widely accepted standardized test that measures the skills and knowledge necessary for success in graduate level business programs and for business related careers. Now, why should you score high on GMAT? What is the impact of a good GMAT score? A GMAT score can have a significant impact on an individual's chances of being accepted into a graduate business program. Many business schools and MBA programs use GMAT score as a key factor in the admission process. A high GMAT score can demonstrate to admissions committee that an applicant has strong analytical and quantitative skills, which are important for success in a graduate business program. A high GMAT score can also help an applicant stand out among a pool of other applicants. Many business schools have a competitive application process, and a high GMAT score can help an applicant's application stand out. Additionally, some business schools may have minimum GMAT score requirements, and failing to meet these requirements can make it difficult for an applicant to be admitted. On the other hand, a low GMAT score can be a disadvantage in the admission process, but it is not the only criteria. Schools also consider other factors such as work experience, academic records, essays, and letters of recommendation. However, a low GMAT score makes it more difficult for an applicant to be admitted to a highly selective program. It's important to remember that a GMAT score of 800 cannot guarantee you admission to Stanford or Harvard. GMAT is only one aspect of admission processes and it is not the only criteria. Therefore, it is important to focus on demonstrating your strengths and qualifications in other areas of application as well. In our next video, we will discuss the GMAT exam pattern, format, and the average GMAT score of a few MBA schools in the US and Europe. I hope you find this video useful. Please do like this video. For more such updates, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for notification. Also, please let us know about your queries in the comment section below. We will answer all of them. Thank you for watching and I wish you very best for your GMAT journey. Happy learning. Signing off. Let's crack it.